Learn to love eating nutritiously always. Llena AI Health Solutions Inc. is a digital diabetes management platform with personalized recommendations powered by proprietary artificial intelligence. Llena AI can help you with nutrition, exercise and coaching. Select nutrition to get started. Llena AI creates an individualized glycemic index value meal based on your preferences and biometrics such as blood sugar and locations. Where AI meets GI for better health, your blood sugar and blood pressure are highlighted easily and color-coded as red, yellow, and green. This allows Llena AI to provide a personalized nutrition choice just for you. Always update your blood glucose to get the best food recommendations. Select your food preferences. Have a favorite recipe, cook it yourself and buy groceries from Amazon Fresh, Walmart and our growing list of vendors. Get recommended recipes with glycemic index based on your current blood glucose level. Llena AI shows you the recipe, ingredients and directions for your meal choice. Order any ingredients you don't have from one of our food partners. Schedule your daily reminders. Llena AI is for diabetics and non-diabetics who just want to eat healthy. You can select Glucose Watch and get recommendations based on your blood glucose reading, or if you're not type 2 diabetic, select Healthy Eating and simply get healthy eating recommendations. Find healthy eating choices from one of our many meal kits partners or farmers markets in your area. You can get diabetic supplies from Walmart through Llena AI. Select the supplies categories that you need and we'll take you to finish the order via Walmart. Llena AI users can now browse and purchase diabetic supplies, blood pressure monitors, dietary supplements, blood glucose meters, health tests, and glucose monitors in Llena AI platform. Get coaching from Llena AI anytime you feel like you need a boost with curated videos online. Llena AI has a series of curated videos to help you get the exercise you need to live a healthier lifestyle.